Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am using this Emotion collection, my something. It's in Spanish, but it's a cute palette. I really love the packaging. And this is what she looks like inside. Has a mirror. And I got this for like $22 off eBay, and I had my phone pick the colors, so it's random. I got 2 glitters and a shimmer and 2 mattes. So it's gonna be an interesting look. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this detail brush. I'm trying to figure out what to do with this color store. So I'm going in with the orange color. And just gonna go like not too crazy in the crease area. I'm so scared because these are just crazy. Like they don't match at all. So I'm just gonna go in like so. I'm gonna go in with this brush and with the same orange color. I'm gonna go in here. I love this brush, by the way. I got this at the 99-cent only store. And they always switch out their brushes so fast. Okay, I'm gonna go in with that green color, same brush. And I only dug into this palette one other time, so this will be the second time. And I want much love before fall ends. And these 2 are great fall colors, but the rest, like this shade is not fall at all. So going in with the outer portion of the crease. Going in with this brush, I decided I probably want to do the orange and green for the rest of the look. So I'm going to go in with orange first with a fluffier brush. Just stamp it on and then swipe. And then just do it in the inner portion of the lid. Then going in with the green for the outer portion. Looks like a pumpkin. I'm gonna go in with this shimmery purple right here. Just all underneath the lashes. I got my eye. Okay, I put primer on. As you can see, it looks like glue. And I'm gonna put on the purple. It has like gold shifts to it, just pretty. It's like pink and purple and gold. Just lining that in the outer portion of the lower lash, like a little eyeliner. And this side is always messy. Can't help that. I'm gonna try my best to put the gold right here. As you can see, the little sparkles. And that's what it looks like. We'll see how this turns out. Usually one eye is better than the other for some reason. But yeah. little mess up right here from the mascara, but that's what it looks like at the end. It's okay, there's a little mascara mess ups throughout my eye looks, but it's not bad, it's not good, it's okay. And this is what the palette looks like again if you want to get this at eBay. Beautiful. I love the color story. I try to do a fallish look through this, but I do like the green and the orange together. It's pretty. Some gold. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.